Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tired of forgetting passwords or worrying about online security? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Proton Pass. In 2025, to safely store and autofill your passwords all in just a few minutes. Proton Pass is a secure end-to-end encrypted password manager from the creations of ProtonMail. It helps you store Proton passwords, notes, two-factor codes, and even hide your email addresses all in one place. So now go to proton.me/pass. Click the Get Proton Pass button and choose a paid plan or free plan. For this tutorial, I will choose that plan. Then click Start using Proton Pass now or create a new account. Enter your email address. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary email. Then enter a strong password like that. Then confirm your password again. Then click Start using Proton Pass now. No thanks. Then click if you have an account, just click Sign In button and enter your password. Then sign in. Then save your password. For mobile, download Proton Pass from Google Play Store or App Store. Now select the theme like light, dark. For this tutorial, I'll use light. Select it. For desktop, install the browser extension. Log in using your Proton account. The browser extension lets you autofill and save passwords while browsing, just like password like LastPass or Bitwarden. Open Pass, click New Item at the right corner. Choose Login, Alias, Note, Identity, Password, etc. Choose Login. Add a website. Give it a title like website or Facebook or YouTube. You can choose Google. Then enter your username, password, then two-factor secret key. Our website like YouTube URL. Then add note. You can attach your uh, file. ProtonPass also supports Strong password generation, perfect for signing up on new websites. When logging into a website, ProtonPass will suggest autofill. When creating a new account, it will ask if you want to save the login. Works across most websites automatically. No more typing passwords and no more using the same password for everything. Store sensitive information like Wi Fi passwords, codes, or recovery keys. Hide by email, its premium feature. Generate a random alias to use when signing up. Your real email stays hidden, but messages still get forwarded to your inbox. So go to settings, then general. Now you can set the language like that, theme change, then go to security. You can use pin code, biometrics, and auto lock like 10 minutes. You can import password like Chrome password, LastPass, etc. This is perfect for newsletters or sketchy websites you don't fully trust. All saved data is automatically synced across devices. Data is encrypted with zero access encryption. You can export data from settings and choose file format like CSV or zip, then click export. For backup or switching tools, Proton never sees your passwords. Only you control the keys. Use two-factor authentication for added security. Enable biometric login on phone. Upgrade to Pro or Alice's custom vaults and more storage. And that's how to use ProtonPass in 2025. Like and subscribe and comment secure me if you want a free password security checklist. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.